la, la la la. Flowers in the rain, la la la, la la la. Calling out your name. I saw you walking down the road with sunlight in your hair. You didn't know my heart stood still. You didn't know I cared. I held my little secret close, like a letter in my hand. Every time you passed me by, I forgot where I would stand. And I don't know what to say when you turn and look my way, but something deep inside me sings like spring on a cloudy day. Flowers in the rain, blooming in my heart again. Every time you smile at me, I feel like I can fly. Flowers in the rain, dancing through my window pane. Maybe you will see one day this love I hide inside. I wrote your name beside the stars, then crossed it out again, afraid that someone else might see the dream I can't explain. My sisters laugh, my brothers know, they hear it in my voice. When you come walking through the town, my heart makes all the noise. And I don't know what to do when the sky turns soft and blue, but every little flower grows when I'm close to you. Flowers in the rain, blooming in my heart again. Every time you smile at me, I feel like I can fly. Flowers in the rain, dancing through my window pane. Maybe you will see one day this love I hide inside. Maybe I'm too young to know. Maybe dreams are only dreams, but when your eyes are shining bright, the whole world changes green.